We just concluded this 3 days learning journey on nature-based solutions, where we delved into the definition of what nature-based solutions is, and looked at practical examples of such solutions in the region. It's been a very interesting learning journey. Primarily we work in the field of livelihoods development and market systems development, and the environment extremely important in order to ensure sustainable livelihoods development.
As HEKS, we have the goal to make communities resilient to the multiple challenges we are facing. And we are facing complex, interconnected challenges and related to ecosystems, climate change, land degradation, biodiversity loss. And nature-based solutions is a broad framework that is exactly addressing these challenges in a holistic way. So I think HEKS-EPER really trying to think in a very integrated, holistic manner, to focus also on this learning exchange, on mutual learning, on adaptive management. I think all these elements are kind of reflected within the topic of this learning journey on nature-based solutions in market system development.
My key insight was to see that we need to think, for example, nature-based solutions and market system development together, because they both reinforce each other and both can learn from each other to really make the situation for the people on the ground better.
So through this learning journey is, to me, is a new topic, yet a global concern. I think the nature-based solutions is such a great way to help sustainable solutions to our society, also human well-being, and also to help restore the nature and modify the ecosystem services. And more importantly is to help people to adapt to climate change resilience, also environmental vulnerability.
These are very important to focus on the sustainability and the social well-being, and also a great example of the nature-based solution project that have been implemented in Cambodia and also in other countries as well, and also the mainstreaming of nature-based solution in the market system development.
We are working in the extreme northeastern part of Bangladesh, and there is a huge problem of drought and water crisis, and also cold wave. So this practice or this experience can be utilized in our program, the exercise that we did yesterday.
We can integrate or get the concept in mainstreaming in our project. For example, like the nature-based restorations approach, we can think about how we can design the intervention that can contribute in the ecosystem protection or conservation, something like that. And then we can mainstream with the monitoring phase as well.
What Smart Agro really passionate about working with nature-based solutions. We are trying to support the smallholder farmer who are facing problems with their lacking of soil fertility or land degradation for their farmlands. So we try to help them to restore such issue by adopting technology of cover crop applications so that we can increase the biomass content, also the sequence of the carbon. And we are also thinking about the incentive to the farmer who practice the accelerations of ecosystem services.
This nature-based solution is very important for the project that I'm implementing, the Green Cashew project, is to identify the risk assessment. The players in the cashew nut supply chains, and also the supporting system and the rule regulation of the cashew nut. That's very important. So by identifying the risk, it helps us to minimize the risk and also to improve the supply chain of the cashew nuts players for the end goal of increasing the income for the smallholder farmer. We zoom out to get more understanding about the region that we're planning to implement at there. So we make sure that we do not do the negative impact to the community. We want to make the positive change to the community.
I would like to thank to the UNDP AFCIA that provide funding support for this important training. Also thank you to the HEKS team for organizing this a great training. Thank you.